User interface, history file. Each treatment is automatically stored in the history file. From the main home screen, you can easily navigate to the history file. After having finished a treatment, all parameters will be saved and documented in the history file. For example, username, date and time, application, as well as laser activation time, power and wavelength, and the operation mode with its frequency. To download the history file, please press the Save button, and you will be asked to insert a USB stick into the USB port on the back of the device. Proceed as instructed on the screen. A maximum of 50 treatments is possible to be stored. If the maximum is reached, the 51st treatment will replace the first treatment. When downloading the history file, the data of the user associated with the treatment history will be deleted from the device.